Kampo ni Gary V. Naglabas ng statement tungkol sa partial refund sa December 20 One More Time concert. Dahil maraming nagrereklamo sa nakaraang concert ng Mr. Pure Energy, Gary Valenciano, noong nakaraang December 20, 2024, nagpalabas na ng official statement ang management group na humahawak dito. Maaalalang pagkatapos ng ilang kanta ay hindi na natapos ni Gary ang concert dahil sa dehydration, sanhi ng pagsusuka, at kinailangan pang isugod siya sa ospital dahil sa panghihina. Maraming nanood ng concert ng gabing iyon ang hindi tumigil sa social media na nalugi daw sila dahilan upang maglabas ang kampo ni Gary ng statement para sa release ng partial refund sa sinumang kokontak sa kanila na nakabili ng tiket sa araw na iyon. Gary V. Pure Energy, One More Time, official statement addressing requests for December 20 partial refund. We would like to apologize to all who attended Day 1 of Gary V. Pure Energy, One More Time, held on December 20 at Smart Araneta Coliseum. Your trust and support matter to us, and we regret to hear that some of you felt disappointed or shortchanged. The decision to cut the concert short was not made lightly. This is the first time it has ever happened in Gary's decades-long career. Gary has always given his all in every performance, and the December 20th incident was a shock to all of us. Our bodies can only take so much, and so we made the decision to put his health first. We understand and respect that many of you were disappointed with the concert not meeting your expectations. If you feel you did not get the concert value you paid for and wish to request a partial refund, please reach out to us directly at tickets@garyv.com, as we are currently discussing the mechanics with the TicketNet PH management. All email inquiries regarding this matter will be processed from January 2 to January 31, 2025, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Wishing you and your families a blessed year ahead. Sincerely, Team Gary V, Manila Genesis. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.